happening. It's been so successful. People love it. They love dining outside with that kind of European feel. But this is the new improved American version of it. So come to Spago. We're looking forward to seeing you all. We have to thank all the people, every restaurant, every business, all the businesses nearby that cooperated and signed off on this. And we have the best city council in the entire country.
Okay, so day 4, the wrong top came from China. This is what it's going to look like. So whole design was for this to be clear. We want to be able to have the art coming through and feeling a part of the space. Somebody tried to tell us this was translucent. It is clearly not. But it's okay. We're going to fix it. Things happen. But this is a temporary top.